In this tutorial, we are going to see the arithmetic progression, how to solve different kind of problems on the arithmetic progression. So let's take a look to this question. The question says, find the 16th term of the sequence. So this is a very simple question, but you have to concentrate on it to see how it is. So therefore, what is the main formula for what? For the arithmetic progression? T is of n, it is equals to a plus what plus n minus what minus n minus 1 into d, the common difference. So therefore, how can we identify common difference? How can we identify the first term? How can we identify the number of what? The number of terms. So therefore, we can see here. So the next thing to do, I have to take a look my first term. This is what? This is the sequence. You have to know the difference between sequence and what? And series. Sequence, you have to see, let's say 1, 2, 3, and etc. But the series, it is what? 1 what? 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, etc. So this is what we call what? This is what we call series. But here we are given what? We are given sequences. So therefore, the first time, let's say A1, it is equal to what? 3 point what? 3.75. This is what the first time. So therefore, the second time, it is equal to 3.5. But to find the common difference it is usually what? It is usually what? Second term minus first term. So therefore, A2 minus first term, which is what? A2, which is 3.5 minus what? 3.75. And therefore, it is equals to minus 0.25. So therefore, the common difference, it is minus 0. What? 0.25. So therefore, the next thing to do, we are looking for what? This is what? 16 is what? The number of what? The number of terms. So therefore, the t's of 16, it is equal to the number of first term, which is 3.75 plus into, and therefore we have 16. So therefore, here is 16, and therefore minus 1 into minus 0.25. So therefore 3.75 plus what? If I say 15 minus 1, sorry, 16 minus 1, it is equal to what? 15. And therefore what? Multiply by 0.25. So therefore, if I say 15 multiply by minus 0.25, it will be equals to 3.75. 15 multiplied by what? Multiplied by minus 0.2. So therefore, we have positive sign here. Okay, sorry. The positive sign, it is what? With what? With the 15. So therefore, I have what? Negative 3.75. So therefore, the final solution, it is equal. The piece of 16, it is equals to what? It is equals to 0. So therefore, this is the end of this question. Find the 16th term of the sequence. So the 16 terms of this sequence will be what? Will be 0. Given the AP 49, 44, and what? 39, which of its term is 9? So therefore, from the first question, we are not given the what? Term. What is term? Term is this t's of what? Is this t's of n. So therefore, the term we are given here is what? Is 9. But we are not given what? The number of terms, which is n, according to the formula. As t's of n, it is equal to a plus n minus 1 into what? Into the common difference. So therefore, from the first question, we are not given what? This term. But what? We are given the what? This 16. Okay, sorry, we are given what? Terms. Sorry, let me explain it to you. If you see that the question says if something term either 19 terms, it means this term they talk about maybe you shall see 100 and you will see this th here, it means times. So therefore automatically this is what? This is n. But if you did not see what? If you did not see this th, but maybe you see what? The capital th, or let me say 10. So therefore automatically this 10 is for what? Is for the teeth of n. This is what I want you to understand. So therefore, the first term, which is a1, let's say it is equals to 49, yeah? And the second term, which is a2, it is equals to what? 44. And therefore, the common difference, it is equals to a2 minus what? a1, which will be equals to a2, which is 44, minus what? 49, and therefore it is equals to 5. I hope you all know how to find the common difference. It is a2 minus what? Minus a1. What is a2? a2 is the second term. This is first, second, and third term. So second term minus what? Minus the first term. This is how to find the common difference. So therefore, the next thing we have to say, we have to just insert the formula. Let's see the formula. The formula says a1, this is the first term, plus what? Plus n minus 1 into d. What is the term? Which is 9. It is equal to first term, which is what? 49 also, and therefore plus what? N minus 1 into what? We have negative 5 into negative 5. Yeah. So therefore, what next? So we are looking for the value of what? We are looking for the value of n. So therefore, I have to say 9, it is equals to 49 plus 5 multiplied by n, it will be equals to minus 5n, minus 5 multiplied by negative 1, it will give me positive 5, and therefore 9, it is equals to 49, positive negative sign, it will be negative sign 5n plus what? Plus 5, yeah? What next? I have to say 9, it is equals to what? 49 plus what? Plus 5, because they are like terms, it will be equals to 54 minus what? Minus 5n. Then next, what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is what? I have to say this will be automatically equals to what? It automatically equals to 5n. If I say 54, 54 minus what? 54 minus 9, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to what? 49 or what? Let me expand it. This is what? Negative 5. Negative minus what? 5n. So therefore, we are looking for what? We are looking for what? The value of what? The value of n. Right? So therefore, it will be equals to what? Let me say that. Let me see. What should I say? Let me say 9 minus what? Minus 54. It is equals to what? It is equals to minus what? Minus 5n. So therefore, if I say 9 minus what? Minus 54, it will be automatically equals to what? 45 minus 45. So therefore, minus 45, it is equals to what? Minus what? Minus 5n. So therefore, if I divide both sides by what? By minus 5, minus 5. You will cancel, and therefore negative sign will cancel negative sign, and therefore n, it is equals to what? 45 divided by 5, it is equals to what? 9. So therefore, if you could remember the time that I'm going to find 5n, I'm eager to find it directly without what? Without showing how it is. But what? Showing it step by step, it is more easier, so that you will not be able to confuse yourself. So therefore, this is all I have for the second question. Find the number of terms in an AP given that its first and last term are 13 and what? And minus 23 respectively. And that its common difference is what? Is minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. So therefore the question is what? Is straightforward. Because it says that given that it first and what? So therefore it means that the first term it will be equals to what? 13. And therefore what? The last term. So therefore the last term let's indicate it as L, which will be equals to what? Minus 23 respectively, and that is common difference. So therefore the common difference, it will be equals to minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. If we could remember, the formula says t of n, it is equal to a plus what? N minus 1 into what? Into d. So therefore, the t of n, it will be what? It will be the last term. So therefore, the last term, which is minus 23, it will be equals to the first term, which is what? 13 plus what? Plus what? N. N minus what? 1 into common difference, which is minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. So therefore, I have to say minus 23, it is equal to 13 plus what? Minus 2 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by what? N, it will be equal to minus 1 over 4 of n minus, or let me say, minus 2 whole number 1 over 4, and also multiplied by negative 1, it will be equal to plus what? 2 whole number 1 over what? 1 over 4. So therefore, it will be equals to minus 23, it is equals to 13. Positive and negative is what? Negative sign 2 whole number 1 over 4n plus what? 2 whole number 1 over 4. And therefore, I have to say that, what am I looking for? I'm looking for what? I'm looking for n. So therefore, 2 whole number 1 over 4 consists of what? N. So therefore, the minus 2 whole number 1 over 4 will cross the equal sign, it will become positive. I have like terms 15 and what? And 23. So therefore, 2 whole number 1 over 4, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to 15 plus 23, which will be equals to what? 38 into 1 over what? Over 4. So therefore, if I say here I'm having n, I have what? N, because I'm looking for what? The value of n. So therefore, 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. And therefore, 8 plus 1, which is 9, which is 9 n over what? Over 4. And therefore, it will be equals to, and therefore, 38 multiplied by 4, I think is 152. 38 multiplied by 4, it will be equals to 152 plus 1, which is 153 over what? Over 4. So therefore, this will be equals to 9n over what? Over 4. It will be equals to 153 divided by what? 4. Cross multiply. And therefore, 9 multiplied by 4, which is what? 36n. And therefore, it is equals to what? 153 multiplied by 4. 153 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 4, it is equals to 612. I'm looking for n. Divide both sides by what? 36. Divide both sides by 36. 36 will cancel 36. And it is equals to what? 612 divided by 36. Yeah. I think I'm having 17. Divided by 36. Yeah, it's 17. So therefore, this is the end of this words of this question. The question says that we are to what? We are to find the number of terms in what? In an AP. In this given AP that they give us what? The first term, last term, and what? And the common difference. So therefore, this is the end of what? Of arithmetic progression. I hope this video of what? Of this three questions will be more familiar and understandable to you in solving different kind of arithmetic progression. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to others.